3 marks. This is compound, no, this is reverse percentages. The question says, in a sale, normal prices are reduced by 28%. The sale price of a watch is 198 euros. Work out the normal price of this watch. That's very good. Now, if the prices are reduced by 28%, that means if someone goes there, they will pay 28% less. So what we will pay is 100% minus 28%. That means people will pay 72%. Did you get this part? Alright. That means this price here, 198, is actually 72% of the real or the full or the original price. This is 72%. So the question asks you to find the normal price. The normal, the original, is always 100%. So now, how do we get 100%? We first find 1%. If you do divide both sides here by 72, because 72 divided by 72 is 1, so it gets you 1%. And if you also divide 198 by 72, you will know what's the value of 1%. So let's do it. 198 divided by 72. So it's 2.75. 198 divided by 72 is 2.75. And then we need to find 100%, so we multiply by 100. 1% times 100 is 100%. And that's equals, we multiply this also by 100 to get the original. So what's 2.75 times 100? This just jumps twice. So it's 275 euros. So what's the original price? It's 275 euros. Now let's look at the next question. Question 6. Solve. This is algebra.